Hello my Crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be sharing with you a scrapcooking.com haul plus a Amazon haul. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So I got these two pieces of paper and that paper and that paper. The reason that I got these, first of all, they were super cute. But secondly, I have the die cut set that goes with this. So I thought that this would just make a super cute planner spread for my Happy Planner. And the paper is pretty much, you can't really find it. It's discontinued and it's hard to find. So scrapbooking.com had it, so I thought, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and get these papers. I think they were a little less than $1 a piece or something like that. That's a nice chipboard with that too. I'm gonna keep that chipboard. So yeah, so look, I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited to do a I can already envision what that will look like in my planner, and I'm really excited about that. Craft Direct, I bought the paper pad, the Carta paper pad, Merry Christmas, and then scrapbooking.com had the chipboard and the die pack, so I went ahead and got that. I just think this little set is really super sweet. So I'll open the die pack set after the end of the video. You can stick around for that. And then I bought just a couple of things from Tim Holtz. I bought his newest Field Notes die pack, and I just thought this had a lot of really cute little embellishment pieces, a lot of mushroom pieces that I don't have in my collection. I don't really have a lot of mushrooms, and so I'll open this as well at the end. And then I needed another vintage photo, and I also got a tea dye. I don't have a tea dye, I only have the smaller one. I don't have the big one, and I wanted the big one, and I definitely needed a new vintage photo. I'm running low on those. And then I also picked up these tiny clips. They are from Tim Holtz, and I purchased these because I watch Jen from Genevieve Designs. And I watch her all the time, and she had these, and I just was like, oh, these are so cute. They are a ½ an inch tall by about a ¼ inch wide. So they're super tiny little clips, and I just think that those are adorable. And they have the silver and then kind of the pewter gold in there. So yeah, and I actually did shop around for these. Even when I was looking at Joann's and stuff, the scrapbooking.com was the cheapest. And since I was already getting all sorts of other stuff, I decided to throw that in my cart. And then the other thing that I got that I kind of disappointed, because the glitter, apparently there's a thing of glitter in here, and it got literally everywhere. So I don't even know how I'm supposed to open this without getting glitter all over everything. I don't even know. I guess I can try. Let's try to open this. It's just gonna get everywhere. Yep, everywhere. So yeah, so I guess I could pick these pieces out. I wanted the leaves. That was the whole point to getting this, because I had actually just said in a video a couple of weeks ago, I wish they just had a thing of just leaves. And then I was on scrapbook.com, and I'm like, oh, they do have a thing of just leaves. So it's 48 pieces. Yeah, kind of disappointed that there's glitter all over them. So it's not going to fit in my thing, but here it is. basically just a clinch machine punch thing. It's a bookbinding tool. I don't know if you know what this is, but it binds spiral books. And I've been thinking about getting it for months and months and months. And then my sister said, buy it for your birthday. And I said, okay. So she gave me some money on Amazon and I bought it for my birthday. And then I went on to scrapbooking.com. I actually bought this one on Amazon too, but this was almost $12 on Amazon. And these were, I want to say they were like half off or half price. It was like ridiculous, the difference in price. So these were, so I got the white and black set, the rose gold, the gold. These were all an inch thick. And then this one is a teal and a light teal. And then I also got these really cool spiral bound ones. Again, these are an inch. So I got two of those, two sets of those. And then I picked up the pink set. So I'm hoping to make quite a few books for these. And then make some money back because I'm hoping to make some books and sell them. So that is the plan. We'll see how that goes. The last thing that I bought was these little metal loops. And I did not have any idea what these were. But I'm like, oh, those look interesting. I'm going to pick those up. Basically, they are basically like a little, kind of like almost like a paper clip, but not really. They're just like a little clip that clips on the side of your book. And what I was thinking that would be really cool is if I had this on the side of my book, and then I could put like ribbon or charms or something on the side of the book. And there's 25 pieces in here, and they have different colors. There's like a silver, there's a gold, and then the pewter color. So there's 3 different metals in here. Yeah, and then I think this little piece is like for a bracket. Like you could put a bracket in there to hold it in place, to hold it on, because it is pretty, it comes off pretty easily. So you could put like a little bracket in there. So yeah, I thought those were cool. I had never seen anything like this before. So that is the fun about going to scrapbook.com, because a lot of times you'll see interesting things that you don't see anywhere else. All right, well, that is my haul for this go around this week, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now. All right, so I'll go ahead and open these 2 packets. Let's go ahead and start with the Christmas one. So I'll just go through these fairly quickly, kind of just show you these. Okay, so those are the Christmas ones. And again, that's Carta Merry Christmas collection. And let's go ahead and look at these in the Tim Holtz. I'm not sure if it says how many are in here. I don't see it anywhere on this packaging. Yeah, it says it's a 2020, so it's the newest. Oh, 134 pieces. 134 pieces. And it's all super tiny. I'm going to kind of, like, this is as far as I can bring my camera. So it's all super tiny stuff, which I also really like. So there's a lot of butterflies in here. It's going to be really hard for me to show you these. So there's a lot. I'm going to kind of organize them a little bit. There's a lot of butterflies, cute mushrooms. There's floral in here. And it's weird because I did see another pack and I was trying to figure out what the difference was of the packs. And I think it must be the size, because the reason I even picked this up is because I'm a Cool Mom she bought them and she did a haul video on them. But I feel like the one that she picked up was bigger. Like the die cuts were bigger. So I'm glad I actually got the smaller little version. Look at the mushrooms. I love the mushrooms. And there's just like little ephemera pieces that he typically has. Because the other day I was doing my holly hobby, and then there's bugs in here, which I'm not really happy about. But the other day I was doing my little hobby, my holly hobby journal, and I was making, here, I'll show you. I was making these little tickets, and I didn't have a lot of like little things to put on it. I was really struggling to find things that were small enough to go on the tickets. So I was like, well, I think this would work great for that. So I might try to make a few more of those for different projects. Yeah, I really like that there's like kind of like sets. There's a set of flowers, a set of mushrooms. Again, there's just, like I said, a set of bugs, which I'm not really happy about. That's really cute. The little like book pages. All right, so I think I'll just go ahead and fast forward to look at the bee. I'll go ahead and fast forward a little bit and kind of go fast and show you the rest of these. Okay, so yeah. So I'm sorry, it's probably really hard to see these. But there's just like a little set of mushrooms, a little set of butterflies, a bunch of different little flowers, and then a couple little bug things, which I'm not sure how I feel about that. And then these are really cool. I love the little tiny little like field notes. It looks like a little poster of all the different mushrooms and butterflies and flowers, and then the shells. I'm not really understanding the shells. Like, why didn't they add the shells in here if they were going to put this? Like, I would have liked to have like little tiny shells. But yeah, and then this one is just like little tiny ephemera pieces. So I'm super excited about this. I think that I'm definitely going to make some more tickets, little ticket strings, and I'm thinking maybe I'll try to sell them on my Etsy shop. So I don't know if that would be something you were interested in. But anyway, yeah, I thought I'd share this with you. I'm really excited for all this, and I will go ahead and I will see you next time. Bye for now.